I was able to find one article that I liked the most. And this article is called The 5 Resolutions for Supply Chain Leaders in 2019. Some of the companies that are listed in this article are companies such as Lockheed Martin, Dell, Palmolive, and more. So whoever has the best supply chain will be the one that takes some competitive advantage for the future and for its success. The very first bullet point that this document talks about is a massive retooling of people dimension, which talks about the digital supply chain strategy that some companies are taking. It really needs a different skill set. So companies now are hiring data scientists and hiring people that knows about data. Companies are educating their workforce so they can have the necessary skill sets to make data decision making a priority. The second point that this article points out is the unprecedented collaboration that companies need to have. So different companies in today's days don't really share information between departments. Operations department along with marketing department are getting together so they can share data and plan for demand and future purchasing and procurement practices and save some money for the bottom line. Companies are trying to put together cross-functional teams so that they can do data trading. The third point in this article talks about the widespread of algorithms. Successful companies such as Dell or Lockheed Martin are using data and artificial intelligence as well as machine learning so they can provide a better service to customers and understand their markets and the demand that these companies will have for the future. Take for instance Walmart. Walmart is getting closer to the customer by putting some market, neighborhood type of store that are more responsive to customer needs. Another point to highlight is the fact that algorithms make companies smarter. So more companies are using these algorithms to understand customer demand in a better way. The fourth point that this article talks about is a step back and dive deep into blockchain. Blockchain can have a big impact in the supply chain because data and files can be stored in the same line or in the same stream, so other customers or other suppliers can see the same information at the same time. The last point that this article talks about is make it personal. Nowadays, customization is an important feature that companies must have so that customers can feel that their needs are met. Take for instance what is happening now with Adidas and Nike. They're going towards this additive manufacturing or 3D printed. Imagine you have a shoe, sports shoe, that actually fits you pretty well, in which you don't have to go into a store. The article is called 5 Resolutions for Supply Chain Leaders in 2019. It's written by George Bailey, Managing Director of Digital Supply Chain. I hope you like this video and I hope you enjoy it.